This is a new addition to the flock family. Two little ducks. The dark one's a mallard, but I'm not sure what the little yellow one is. They're so cute though. I'm so excited. I've been wanting ducks for a long time. So hopefully I'll have duck eggs when they're bigger. So the yellow one, I'm gonna name them Quackers. I can't name the other one Cheese. That would be so cool. So I think I'm gonna name them Waddles. Quackers and Waddles. Anyways, just wanted to show you my new babies. I'm so excited. Thanks, y'all.